How to change birthday on Snapchat after limit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably stuck trying to change your birthday on Snapchat, but you have hit the limit. So don't worry, in this video I will show you what you can do if Snapchat won't let you change your birthday anymore. So let's get right into it. So the first and best way to fix this is by contacting your Snapchat support. So you have to open up any browser in your device. So open up Google Chrome and in the search bar, you have to type in Snapchat or support.snapchat.com. Once you land on this interface, you have to scroll down a bit and then tap on Contact Us. Once you're here, now select this option as I need help with Snapchat feature. Scroll down a bit and head towards Profile and Communities. Scroll down a bit and here you have an option that says Contact Snapchat Support, so tap on it. That's gonna take you to this interface that says Submit a Request. So here fill out the form with a short explanation. First of all, add your username that is associated with your account. Under that, enter the email address that is also associated with your Snapchat account. Under the description, you can type in I accidentally set the wrong birth year and I have reached the change limit. Can you please help me update it? So once you type in that request or the description, tap on submit. After that, the Snapchat will review your request and will help you to resolve your issue. So you have to check your email and make sure to follow the instructions carefully and then you will be able to change your birthday as directed by the Snapchat support. So that's how you deal with birthday limit on Snapchat. If this video helped you, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.